All right, let's go on one of probably the most legendary songs, "The Show Must Go On" from Queen, and I absolutely love this one because it does follow the very simple progression. So, for example, if we are in A minor, and it doesn't really matter what key you're in, so we've got minor chord, your first minor, then afterwards you go down the third. So I'll just play it as an example in A minor. So I just start with the inversion just because it's so much easier to go to everything else. So then it goes down the third to the sixth chord, and it's major chord, F major in our case. So then it's going to be D minor, and then at the end you do have an A major, technically speaking, but they have like a suspended chord inside of it. So it has 4, and then the dominant itself, yeah, the 5 chord itself, and then we finish up on the subdominant D minor, the 4 chord, and then 4 diminished, and then it's back. And then also, if you do listen to the intro, you do have a very distinguishable melody. So if you start from that first chord, it just basically goes like this. So you can hear that, and it's always there. So it's just that. Then we change the chord, but still the same note. And finally it does go downwards. So here, so it's basically D minor 7 here. Down, 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 and then we start the whole thing, and then it's just very even, and yeah, there it goes. So you just need to know your chords, that's about it. And this is where, by the way, I can help. If you comment down below chord guide, I will give you one for free. So, and you will know all the major chords and all the minor chords, which is like, I just change one of the notes inside that major chord and you got all the minor chords. And obviously once you see that chord, it's no big deal to go to the inversion of the chord. Okay, so let's do it one. So here's your chord, down. So see, I'm changing the top note. And also you hear the change of the bass. It just goes, so we need to go from A to F. So why won't we pass through the G? Of course we can. And it sounds so awesome, doesn't it? And see, I just change only one note over here, so it becomes just the original triad of that F major chord. I'm just changing just the top note here. Again, why not? We can pass through that note in here. Then over here, basically, we don't have to change the chord because it becomes a D minor 7 here. If you do play that note. And afterwards you change to E, and then E suspended. So see, I've got E, A, and B, which makes it into suspended chord, and finally afterwards I introduce that medium note inside of it, which becomes an E major chord, and then D minor, just the whole triad goes downwards, and then change the top note, it becomes a diminished chord, which gives us that tension. Yeah, this is what we want. So the whole thing, and you can play it with octaves as well. I personally really love those lower notes, and I do love those octaves. If you want, you can just sing along to it. Empty spaces, what are we leaving for? Abandoned places, all undone, that we are living. Oh, sorry, are living for. Or if you want to, you can just play it with the melody as well. So basically, you already know everything that goes on side of it. You just need to play the melody. Empty spaces, what are we leaving for? Abandoned, don't forget to change that note for the left hand. Places, I guess we know. I forgot the lyrics. But you've got that idea, I need to look up the lyrics. Does anybody know what we are looking for? I do remember the next one. Okay, sorry. And then over here you can play something like that. So see, I'm playing just that D minor basically, but I'm changing again the top note. And over here change that medium note to be just to introduce that G sharp inside of it. And then it's just back. I can't believe that I forgot the lyrics, but you've got an idea of how to play the whole thing just like that. And then we've got To Show Must Go On, which follows exactly the same chords, but it just goes higher for. So it goes show, and then we're back to the normal. So, and it's just the same chords all the time. So if you're interested, I can cover the chorus in the next video, but most importantly, just play along, play those chords, because you can actually sing the whole melody, and I mean, it's such a beautiful melody to sing along to. And I think actually A minor suits it. I need to check like what is the original key, but it doesn't really matter. I think it was B minor, and then a little bit later, so for the second verse there is a modulation, it just goes up a whole tone pitch. In our case it will just go to B minor, yes, so from A minor to B minor. So see, it's just the same thing all the time. So once you know your chords, I mean, it's not that big of a deal to play the whole thing. And the chorus, like I said, so it just follows exactly the same sequence. Everything is exactly the same. So enjoy.